In this video, I will share how to do slow motion in CapCut PC. There are two ways to slow down the motion in a video: overall slowing down and curved slowing down. First, add the video material to the time track. Click Speed in the upper right corner. Here you can adjust the video playback speed. We adjust the playback speed to 0.5 times. Then add the original material and compare the movement speed of the two. This is the original speed of movement. This is 0.5 times the movement speed. Smooth slow-mo can also adjust the smoothness of slow-motion pictures. There are two modes. One is frame blending. Frame blending's processing speed is slower, and the effect of smoothing motion is not as good as optical flow. One is optical flow. Optical flow's processing speed is slower, but the smoothing effect will be better. Here we first select frame blending. Add another video. Adjust to 0.5x speed. This video uses optical flow to smooth slow-motion video frames. Wait for the optical flow process. Play these two videos. Using our naked eye comparison, it is not easy to find the difference between the two. Therefore, frame blending is often used to smooth slow-moving video images. CapCut also provides us with the function of curve speed change. Just set different playback speeds for different time periods. Click Speed in the upper right corner. Click on Curve. These are custom video playback speeds. It provides this 7 modes. This model has 4 nodes and divides the entire time period into 5 short time periods. These nodes are used to divide different time periods. The playback speed can be freely adjusted for each time period. This dotted line is the central axis. When located on the center axis, it indicates that the playback speed is 1 times faster. If the curve is above the center axis, it means that the playback speed is greater than 1 times the speed. If the curve is below the center axis, it indicates that the playback speed is less than 1 times the speed. This curve indicates that the first half of the playback is faster, greater than 1 times the speed. Then the playback speed slowly decreases. The middle section plays at the slowest speed. Finally, the playback speed increases slightly. Play the video. You can see that the surfing movement in the front is very fast, the movement in the middle is very slow, and then the movement speeds up again. Click Customize to customize the playback multiple. There are initially 3 nodes here, divided into 4 time periods. These 4 time periods are all original playback speeds. We can click the plus sign and add 2 more nodes. So there are 6 time periods. We move the first node up and increase the playback speed of the first time period. Later nodes move downwards. Because we are doing slow motion, we reduce the speed of each node. Different nodes set different speeds. In this way, the playback speed of each time period is different. Play the video. The surfing was very fast in the front, and then the surfing movement was very slow.